is about the botanical garden. Okay, next we are going to go for a museum. Okay. Biological museum is a step up in educational institutes like college and schools for reference purpose. A museum is nothing but in your lab, in your biological lab, in your biology lab. There, those specimens were preserved. They are called as a museum. They are terming it as a museum. It is biological museum is placed. Set up means रहता है, placed in educational institute, in a college में, as well as in schools. Okay, for the reference purpose, like students can identify, study, know about it, what kind of a thing it is. Okay, yeah. Next point, specimens are preserved in the containers or jars. As we know that कि वो specimens they will preserve it in a container or in the jars, in a preservative solution or as a dry specimen. Okay, based upon what kind of a specimen it is, they will preserve in a liquid medium, that's in a solution, or in a dry specimen format. Okay, yeah. In a liquid medium now, mostly they are using a formaldehyde, formalin, chemicals they are going to use. Okay, alcohol, ethanol, isopropanol, so that your specimens will stay for a long time. It can be preserved for a long time, and those specimens should not get damaged. That's why they will preserve it in a solution or in a dried format based upon a specimen, what kind of a specimen it is. Okay, yeah. Insects are preserved in the insect box after collecting, killing and pinning. Okay, for example, you're taking an insect. Okay, you have to collect that obviously, and you have to kill them and pin it with the ball pins and label it, and then you have to keep in the insect box. Insect box is nothing but it can be a container. Okay, or it can be a jar. या आप इंसेक्ट को कलेक्ट करते हो, उसे मारते हो, उसे पिन करते हो, उसके पार्ट्स रख लेबल करते हो इन सच केसेस, और यू विल नहीं तो आप पिन करते हो. ओके, फिर उसे आप किसी कंटेनर या जार में डाल देते हो, सो दैट इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल स्पेशली फॉर द यंगस्टर्स, राइट. जैसे स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ सकते हैं, उसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, नो व्हाट इट इज़. ओके, दैट्स इट अबाउट द म्यूजियम. Now we will go and see what's a zoological park is. Zoological park is nothing but a zoo. Hope everyone would have visited, right? What's a zoo is? These are the places where the wild animals, means carnivorous, are kept protected environment under the human care, which enable us to learn about their food habits and behavior. Obviously, zoos में wild animals has been kept, right? And they are protected, and they will provide the environment which suits them under the human care. Obviously, humans will be monitoring them, right? Humans will be checking them, monitoring them, which enable us to learn. You can learn about those animals, their food habits, what they follow, and what kind of a behavior they stood. These all things you can learn that. Okay, in the zoological park. Yeah. Next point, natural habitats are provided as far as possible. See, in zoological park they will provide the natural habitat so that those animals will think that they are living in a forest, right? Forest is their habitat, right? Yeah, so they will think that they are living in a natural habitat. Like that, they will provide artificial pond, etc. Whatever the requirements that helps those animals to think or feel that they are in their natural habitat. That's nothing but a forest, right? In this way, you can study them also and know them. Okay, that's it about it. And next we are going to see a new topic, that's a taxonomic key. Okay. Yeah, taxonomic key is an artificial analytic device. As we know, taxonomic key is nothing but it's an artificial analytic, means you have its analysis. Analysis क्या होता है? चेक करना whether it's a true or false. जो भी स्पेसिमेन आपके पास है. ओके, एंड इट्स अ डिवाइस like a calculator is a device, right? Like that, the taxonomic key is also a device which contain a list of statements with a dichotomic table of alternate characteristics which is used for identifying organisms. Usually two contrasting characters are used. To understand this line, we will understand it with the help of a example. Okay, for example, you take it as a deer. Okay, deer is your specimen और वहाँ पे दो ऑप्शंस दिए रहेंगे like a herbivorous and the carnivorous. Okay, they will given a two option herbivorous, carnivorous. इस डिवाइस में आपको डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं देंगे. इफ़ यू आस्क देम अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट अ डियर, ओके, डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं मिलेगा कि दैट डियर इज अ herbivorous. नो, दे विल गिव यू द चॉइस, दे विल गिव यू द ऑप्शंस. ओके, you have to identify whether it's a herbivorous or the carnivorous. That's what it means to say of these lines. Okay, list of a statement. Statements कुछ भी नहीं है, choice दिए रहते हैं. Okay, like I have shown you whether it's a herbivorous or a carnivorous. Okay, yeah, and it's a dichromic means दो choice दिए रहते हैं. Okay, yeah, दो their herbivorous or it is a carnivorous a characteristic है, right? It is a characteristic of that specimen or that animal, you can say in this case. Okay, in this, with the help of this device you can identify your organism, I mean your specimen, as well as you can study and collect the data. उसके बारे में और जानकारी आप जान सकते हो. Okay, with the help of this device. यूजुअली दो ही कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स देंगे, जैसे आई हैव मेंशन, राइट, डियर वेदर इट्स अ herbivorous और इट्स अ carnivorous, दो ही चॉइस देंगे. ओके, दो ही स्टेटमेंट्स इशू करेंगे, दो ही कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स वो डिवाइस आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा. ओके, दैट्स व्हाट इट मीन्स. नेक्स्ट, the one present in the organism is chosen while the other is rejected. Obviously, your deer, for example, there are two options, right? A, we will name it as a B. You know your deer is a herbivorous. One option only you are going to select. Other one will automatically will get rejected. Okay, yeah, that's what this line means. Each statement of a key is called a lead. Oh, see, the deer it's given, right? द डियर जो भी आपका स्पेसिमेन है उसे हम की नाम देते हैं. ओके, इन टैक्सोनॉमी यू शुड नॉट से इट्स एज एन अ स्पेसिमेन. ओके, यू हैव टू टर्म इट एज एन इट्स अ की. और जो आपको दो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए जाते हैं ना, यू कैनॉट यूज़ द वर्ड कॉल्ड अ स्टेटमेंट्स, यू हैव टू यूज एज अ लीड. आप स्टेटमेंट या ऑप्शन या चूज नहीं बोल सकते, यू हैव टू से लीड. कीज के लीड दिए होते हैं, मतलब स्पेसिमेंट्स के ऑप्शंस दिए गए होते हैं, नाम ही वैरी करता है, टर्म. ओके, या गो टू नेक्स्ट. separate taxonomic keys are used for each taxonomic category like specimens, genus, family, etc. जो भी आपका स्पेसिमेन है ना, चाहे आप उसका स्पीशीज़ फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो या जीनस फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो या फैमिली यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट, सो उसमें भी दो ऑप्शंस दिए ही दे रहेंगे. आई मीन आई शुड नॉट यूज़ द वर्ड ऑप्शन, मीन्स अ लीड. ओके, दिए ही दिए गए रहेंगे एंड यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट. For example, dog. Dog is a key, right? I've said you before. It's a specimen, but you cannot use the term specimen. Okay. And you want to find the family of which family this dog used to belongs, right? The option is Canis and Felids. So two options will be given. चाहे वो फैमिली आप उसका फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो या जीनस फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो या स्पीशीज फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो, एनीथिंग, you will be provided with the two options. A direct answer this device do not provide. So obviously you are going to choose a Canis because dogs belong to a Canis. Felids to cat belong करते हैं, right? Like that. Whether it is going to be a species, genus or a family, options means a lead. in a taxonomic term if I use, they will be provided, okay, of your specimen. Keys are generally analytical in nature. Obviously keys मैंने आपको बोला था कुछ भी नहीं है आपका specimen like a deer, okay, आपका specimen जो भी है उसको हम taxonomic term key देते हैं, okay, yeah, वो analytical way में है. Analytical क्या होता है? As I've said, you have to find whether which one is a true, which one is a false. This device do not provide a direct answer. You can say, okay, yeah, it's the analytical type. You have to analyze your specimen. Okay, and next. Flora, manual, monograph and catalogs are some other means of recording descriptions. See, one is this taxonomic key. In this way, this device used to provide the data or the information or to which you want. Okay, वैसे ही इसी की तरह एक और है, फ्लोरा भी होगा, ओके, मैनुअल्स भी होते हैं जहाँ पे आपके इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर होते हैं जिनसे आप अपने स्पेसिमेन से कंपेयर कर सकते हो, उनसे पढ़ सकते हो, ओके. सेम वे मोनोग्राफ्स होते हैं, कैटलॉग्स होते हैं, जैसे एक बुक होती है ना विथ मिनी पेजेस, लाइक दैट दे आर स्टोर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. आप उससे अपना स्पेसिमेन कंपेयर कर सकते हो, अपने स्पेसिमेन को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो विद ऑल दिस डेटा, and you can study that, okay, this all things. You can record a descriptions that what it means. You can have the detailed information about your specimen, okay. You can do a detailed study. That's all about it. Hope you understand. Thank you.